What is the empirical formula of glucose C6H12O6? So the empirical formula tells us the lowest whole number ratio of elements in a compound. In our problem, we are given the compound glucose and its molecular formula is C6H12O6. To get the empirical formula, what you need to do is to divide all the subscripts by their GCF, or the greatest common factor. So what is the greatest common factor of 6, 12, and 6? The greatest common factor is 6. So you divide all the subscripts by the greatest common factor. So C6H12O6 becomes C1H2O1. In chemistry, we don't usually write the number 1 in chemical formula. So C1H2O1 simply becomes CH2O. And this is the empirical formula of glucose.